From mushroom clouds to clean energy, nuclear power is one of the most feared and misunderstood inventions in world history. At its core, it's simple. Split atoms of uranium and plutonium in a process called fission. That releases enormous energy in the form of heat. Here's how it specifically works in power plants. There's fuel rods. Uranium pellets are stacked inside long rods which serve as the fuel. A reactor core. Inside, fission happens and produces heat. Coolant, water, or sometimes gas, liquid metal, absorbs the heat. Steam production, the heated water turns into steam. Turbine and generator, steam spins a turbine which drives a generator to make electricity. And a cooling system. Afterward, the steam is cooled and condensed back into water to be reused. So nuclear plants work similarly to coal or natural gas plants. The main difference is what makes the heat. So what are the pros of nuclear energy? There's low carbon emissions, nearly zero greenhouse gases during operation, high energy density, a tiny amount of uranium produces as much energy as tons of coal, and it's reliable. Unlike solar or wind, it runs day and night, regardless of weather. But of course there are cons of nuclear energy as well. There's radioactive waste. Used nuclear fuel remains hazardous for thousands of years and must be safely stored. There's accidents such as Chernobyl and Fukushima, high cost, building a nuclear power plant is very expensive and takes years, and of course, nuclear proliferation. Technology can be misused for weapons. There's also other forms of nuclear energy as well, such as nuclear fusion, where instead of splitting atoms, it fuses light atoms, like hydrogen, into heavier ones, releasing enormous energy. This is how the sun works. Fusion is still experimental, but promises cleaner and safer power if achieved.